Hey guys, it's Jasmine Amazing. Just jumping into it. I used a pair of sunglasses and latex and flour, and I used the latex and flour like clay and made the mask shape, and then I painted it all the different colors I wanted, gave it some makeup and some lashes made out of construction paper. Then I went ahead and started painting my face. I painted from the bottom part down to my neck. First I painted white, then pink, then UV reactive pink, and then I blended it in with purple on the outer edges of my face and neck. Then I use a fluffy brush and use black light reactive pigments to set the pink and the purple. Then using a flat detail brush, I made some swirly lines on my chin to tie in the top and the bottom. And then I use a black light reactive pigment as a paint and put dots all through those lines. I used latex and built up about 7 layers around my face, and I painted the areas around my eyes black, and then I slapped the mask on. And voila, this is what it was. But I hated it. It was too far down on my nose and it was really foggy, and I was just super pissed. Like, I just ripped it off, and I needed to try again. Did I mention I was pissed? Okay, so part 2, I literally did rip it off, and then I went ahead and applied 7 more layers of latex around the black eye paint. I decided to forget that wig completely and give myself a head wrap that I feel more comfortable in. And then I went ahead and put the mask on again, put it on higher up. It was pretty hard to see because these sunglasses were really good. I got them from Goodwill for like $10, and I can't see crap at night. I wasn't cool enough for that, but I really liked how it looked and felt a lot more. They didn't get as fogged up, but they were still hard to see out of. Then I painted my nose and tried to paint some purple and black as far as I could see to match everything up. I missed a couple spots, but overall I liked it so much more. At the time that I posted it and took these videos, I really hated my makeup, but a couple days later, I'm editing this, it's like a week later, and I actually love it. I really think it's super cute, and I would 13 times out of 10 do it again. Look at it in the black light. Super creepy, super cute. It is exactly what I like. Yeah, I loved it. So here's me ripping it off. Enjoy that. I wish I could have put it like ASMR so you can hear that like ripping. Oh, it was so good. Look at me. I look like some type of like monster Ewok thing. I don't know. But anyway, thank you for tuning in and watching my video. I hope that I kind of taught you something on how to do this. If you do it as well, oh my god, tag me, let me see it. Be spooky, be cute, be amazing. Love y'all. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot, please like and subscribe and share my channel so that eventually I could be monetized and actually make money from all the hard work I put in for my personal projects. And thank you again. Okay, bye.